Thinking about investing? Here are the top reasons to invest in real estate. Real estate tends to appreciate over time, making it a solid long-term investment. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of income and help build wealth. Investors can benefit from various tax advantages, including deductions for mortgage interest and property depreciation. Real estate can diversify your investment portfolio, reducing risk and enhancing returns. Unlike stocks, real estate allows you to have direct control over your investment, giving you the power to make improvements and increase value. At J. Dawala, we're here to help you explore the best real estate investment opportunities in Jaipur. Let's get started today.